Hi everybody, in this video I just thought of appreciating the work of Mr. Praveen P. Mohandas, who has been a photographer from Kerala. When we think about monochrome photography, we usually stick into portrait or landscape. But here in the showcase is the work of Mr. Praveen P. Mohandas, who has chosen the art of monochrome photography to express the nature and beauty of wildlife. When I read the article, I was really skeptic. How is it possible to explore the art of wildlife just through monochrome photography? Could it ever happen? The answer to my question is quite negative when I just logged into the Instagram account of Mr. Praveen P. Mohandas. I'm more flattered to see the work of his wildlife photography through monochrome photography. He says that only in monochrome photography we can see the true expression of the nature and the wildlife. Yes, it is 100% true. What I felt is mind blowing when I've been seeing through the work of Mr. Praveen P. Mohandas in his Instagram profile. His monochrome work is highly expressive. Every detail in the photograph had the touch of artistic nature, and there is a feel of tight emotion in his photographs. I do remember the words of the scientist David Batchelor, who described about chromophobia, that black and white is the true nature of reality, and colors only distract us by amusing with pleasure. Yes, true was his words when it comes to the work of Mr. Praveen P. Mohandas. And this photographer also has a special album named under Korea. Korea explores the art and beauty of nature and body of wild elephants in Kerala district. I am not sure where we are going to place ourselves while we look into the works of Mr. Praveen P. Mohandas. Are we going to attracted by the reality explored in his photography, or whether we are going to distracted by the action and emotion explored in his photography? We are both attracted by his reality and distracted by the motion cast between the lines of blur in his photographs. Really, we can say it's an excellent masterpiece of monochrome exploring the wild nature. I dig myself and find out that he has been a Nikon user. Congratulations, Mr. Praveen. And here I have given the link of his Instagram account. Kindly log into his account to check into the beauty of his wildlife explored through monochrome. And let's meet back in my another video about photography. Kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. And it's bye from Olichirpi.